Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Mitochondrial DNA differences can build this tree fast, and the trick is matching closest relatives first, then placing the next closest species without overthinking it. DNA sequence differences reflect evolutionary distance, so fewer differences mean two species share a more recent common ancestor, while larger differences usually mean their lineages split earlier. Watch this carefully. Species I and III have the fewest sequence differences, so they should be grouped together first as sister taxa because they are the most closely related pair in the table. Species 4 is more closely related to that I and III group than species 2 is, so 4 branches next, leaving 2 as the earliest split. Well done! Option A, scan now. Avoid rushing on tree diagrams. Trust the given differences and check each branching step before locking your answer.